One great way to light a fire, you get any standard tissues. I'll grab 3 of them and cover them in any sort of cooking oil. You can use motor oil, but I wouldn't, because I'm going to cook food with the fire. I don't want it tasting like petroleum. Scrunch the tissues up. I'm going to use the oil out of my deep fryer, because it doesn't matter what sort of cooking oil we use. So cover these wicks up. It's pretty much like a candle wick actually, except instead of surrounding it with wax, we're going to use oil. Pick them up, stick them in a bowl for transport over to the fire. Here we go. The kids are all laughing because I'm narrating while I'm doing stuff. Okay, see you at the fire. Okay, so we're out at the kettle barbecue, and I'm just going to put these oil covered tissues down here as fire starters. Now I can spread them around just to help spread the flammage around. It's always good just to maybe get some oil on the wood as well. Helps spread the heat and the flames. Just put that down there. Now I've got some small sticks here. I'll just put them over the oiled covered tissue wicks. Just make sure that everything gets some coverage. And I can put some bigger pieces over the top, while maintaining that I'm getting plenty of air that's reaching those sticks and bits of timber that's going to burn. Okay, what I'm going to use now is a blowtorch that I have here. It's pretty much basically a camp stove can of gas. It's just a standard one, and I have a special head here which I sell. Anyway, these lids, these are blowtorch tops, so just you push on and then you click. You can have a good little flame to start the whole process. You don't need a blowtorch, it's just what I like to use. I could probably just let that sit there for a moment, somewhere where it's gonna sit properly, not move around. Okay, so all the oil soaked tissues are all lit. I'm going to remove the blowtorch and arrange the top of this big piece of timber so it hits the flame, and that'll just burn by itself for a while until it becomes fully engulfed, and then it'll burn down into charcoal. It's actually coals, not really charcoal, because the true charcoal is manufactured using fire in a very low oxygen environment, such as the 44-gallon drum. Okay, so we've just put some chicken on here. It's been cooking for about 25 minutes, so get nice and crispy there. We'll turn them over soon in probably another 10 minutes. Very strong fire. Started just using oil-soaked tissues. The cheapest fire lighter you can get. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Share it around to anyone. See you later.